Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DGRI. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Before I get started, I'd like to note to please check the disclaimer. So DGRI, you can see that this one today had biggest volume it's had in a while, and the price reacted nicely with it. So what I want to do here is just map out some supports and resistances, and that way everybody's on the same page in terms of what's going on from the technical perspective. So the first thing that happened today was, well, I should take that back. It happened yesterday, but today was, a good sign that the price was able to maintain above it. But this purple line here is the 50-day simple moving average, and you can see the price got above it yesterday. So the big question going into today was, was the price going to be able to hold above it? And you can see that it did indeed. The 50-day simple moving average right now is valued at 0012. So going forward, 0012, definitely a very important level of support. Another area of support is going to be this trend line right here. You can see that over the past couple weeks, it bottomed out here, made a move up, and then on this pullback, put in the higher low. So actually, there's 3 points now: this point, and that point. So the price is now trending upwards. So if the 50-day simple moving average does not hold, then the kind of no excuse must hold level of support is going to be this trend line right there. And then an ideal level of support, meaning if you're asking me, hey Clay, what would make the chart look the absolute strongest, it would be if this level right here can hold as support, that value being up here at 0015. You can see 0015 was resistance here, there, but then since the price is now above it, just basic technical analysis, resistance turns into a support. Now in terms of resistance levels, let's talk about the fun stuff here. First area of resistance, if this continued move is going to keep on chugging upwards, is going to be right here at this level, which is 002. You can see 002 acted as resistance there, and then resistance once again right there. So 002, first area of resistance. With a break of that, the next battleground is going to be up at the 0025, and then actually after 0025, the next one is then not until well over 003. So, if this move can continue up, got some, decent sized spaces between these levels of resistance. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. But, at the end of the day, it's all about volume. If the move is going to continue, then you're going to want to see volume continue to grow. But, there's no denying that today's volume bar was nice, and the price reacted, accordingly with it. So again, just to recap, the ideal level of support is going to be 0015, but if that level cannot hold, no need to panic or freak out, because you still do have the 50-day simple moving average below you, valued at 0012. And then the overall trend line right here, I'm not going to assign a value to that just because, it is changing with time. So, it's not going to be totally accurate to, assign a level to it at this point. And then in regard to the continued breakout and a continued new run, the next level of resistance is that going to be 002, then 0025, and then up here at 0032. So, grab some popcorn and let's see what happens with this one the remainder of the week. If there are any other questions, please let me know. If not, thanks for watching. Have a good one.